turns out we're taking you on a front row run on Cú Chulainn, so we thought we'd do another POV.
It's got some lovely shiny hair.
The hairdo, the barnet is wonderful.
Oh, wow, this is a great.
It's a good view.
This is a great view, isn't it? Oh, this one is the tallest in Dublin, though.
Let's enjoy the tallest roller coaster in Ireland, and let's go!
Time.
Oh, hang time there. That was a much better ride. I have denigrated this coaster earlier unnecessarily. It's much better than I said.
That was way